Foraging should not be having skills to take advantage of resources. Foraging should be having the skills to look after resources, to look after colonies, to make sure there's plenty more for you to come back, others to enjoy, and other things to use. Foraging is looking after resources. Here we are, Clovelly Shark Point, beautiful Tasman Sea, splashing the waves. This is sea lettuce. On these rock platforms, we have an abundance of sea lettuce. This is just yummy. Some of the most striking vegetables you could get out of the sea. Salty, crunchy, much appreciated by restaurants. This is also the perfect example of a plant that you should pay attention and look after. It looks like there's plenty. There's green as far as you can see. Very thick, you can just harvest whatever you need. And yet, it's very fragile. Sometimes it gets battered by the sea, sometimes it gets cooked by the sun, sometimes it gets over-harvested. And that's no good. Foraging is looking after resources. Sea urchin. This is a very baby one. In many ways, this should be one of the species that you want to engage. Why is that? Because they became kind of invasive and taking control of other environments, creating what they call sea urchin barrens, eating up all of the seaweeds and other breeding grounds of other species. So this, when it gets big, is yummy. Another seaweed of note over here in this intertidal zone will be Neptune necklace. Easy to recognize because of the beads. It's got little beads that most probably you know because you were shooting at each other as you were a kid, like that. Little you know that this is edible, is actually yummy. It tastes like the sea, surprise, surprise, because the little beads hold a little bit of seawater inside it. Amazing, crunchy, it pickles excellently. As a forager, you should be fully aware of your responsibility because you have the knowledge to take advantage of resources, but that comes with responsibilities. 3 things you can engage foraging in a sustainable manner. One is only ever engage when there is an abundance. Only ever harvest 20% of what you're looking at, so there is plenty for it to recover. Please consider engaging with weeds, with noxious species, rather than natives, so that it gives the chance to the natives come back and you control the invasions of noxious species. Practice with care. Sustainable engagement with resources should be the ground rules that you use with everything that you approach. This knowledge is for you to use as a caretaker.